Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the browser and account. You must use Chrome or Firefox updated to the latest release so extensions behave predictably. Next, sign into YouTube so site-level settings persist. Once done, open browser extensions and install a content blocker or custom CSS injector. These tools let you hide Shorts interface elements. Make sure to disable any YouTube experimental flags that re-enable Shorts. This step prevents conflicts and gives you immediate control over what appears on the site. Now you apply specific filters and styles to remove Shorts from view. You create a user style sheet targeting hash shorts, and carousel selectors, then load it into the CSS injector extension. In parallel, add uBlock origin custom filters to block Shorts endpoints and DOM elements. This prevents thumbnails and the Shorts tab from loading. Once done, refresh YouTube and check the homepage, channel pages, and search results. If you still see items, refine selectors and clear cache before retesting to ensure consistent removal. To finish, lock in your configuration so changes persist across updates. Export extension settings and save your custom CSS rules to a backup file. Once done, monitor YouTube for UI changes that could reintroduce Shorts. If Shorts reappear, disable all extensions and enable them one by one to isolate the cause. Make sure to clear cookies and cache and try another browser to confirm the issue is local. If the site updated, edit your selectors and filters, keeping backup speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.